Hello! So today we're going to review the Heaven and Earth Tarot. Medyo sikat to Nakikita ko to sa mga tarot readers in US. So nakikita ko lagi tong Heaven and Earth na to, kaya na-curious ako. Gamit ko na tong cards na to. So it's been used a couple of times already. So pwede ko na sabihin sa inyo yung review ko, honest review ko sa kanya. And yeah, let's start. So, Heaven and Earth by Jack Sephiroth and Jamie L. Ford. Ganito siya. Maganda yung box niya. Quality. Ito yung gilid. Ayan siya. This one. And then the back of the box. So, let's open it. So, yung book niya, hindi naman ganun kakapal, hindi rin ganun kanipis. Maganda yung quality ng, sorry, yung dog ko maingay na naman. Maganda yung quality ng book. Ayan. Meron siyang upright. May reverse meaning siya. This one. Then, meron siyang interpretations. And then, the image, why it explain a man stand in front of table filled with implements. Yan. Ganun. Ayan. So, let's see the minor arcana, kung ganun din. No, the minor arcanas, wala na siyang pictures or images. But, meron din naman siyang upright and reverse meaning. Kompleto pa rin naman siya. Hindi na nga lang siya, wala na nga lang siyang images. Ganyan na lang siya. And let's see if there's a spread available. May introduction to tarot din siya. Parang kung saan nagsimula. Yeah, meron din siyang spreads. So, if you're a beginner, there's a spreads here. But if you're advanced tarot reader naman na, usually, hindi na natin to binabasa. Alright, ito na siya. So, meron siyang dalawang card. Yeah, 2 cards. Isang Heaven and Earth, tapos yung isa yung pa-thank you nila. Follow Scarabeo Tarot on Facebook. Set aside natin. So actually, this one, binibenta ko na siya in my, through my Shopee shop. It only cost 2,249. 2,249. May free shipping dun. Pwede siya magamit. So, let's see the card muna, The back of the card, you can read it in reverse kasi hindi siya halata. Ganyan siya, However, napansin ko lang dito, hindi ko siya gamit na gamit. Siguro mga 5 times ko lang ito pa nagamit Meron para siyang sa Everyday Witch, yung nagkakaroon siya ng dent na white sa gilid agad. Ito gamit na gamit talaga. Pero this one, parang 5 times ko lang siya nagamit. Hindi naman ako, maingat naman ako magbalasa, pero talagang nagde-dent siya. Pansin ko dun lang sa other side, siguro kasi pag ganyan ako. So, pag ginanon ko, dun siya nagagasgas. So, yun. Yun lang yung niya, downside. And another one pa pala na downside niya is yung name niya. Ayan honestly, if medyo malabo yung mata mo, mahirap siya mabasa pag naka-spread siya like this. Ayan diba? Parang ang hirap niyang basahin. Pero wala namang kaso kung hindi naman kalabuan yung mata nyo. Medyo Akin kasi malabo talaga. So, yung grade ng ice is 1,500 tsaka 1,250. Plus stigmatism pa na 350 each eyes. So, ayun. This one, nahahawig siya sa Rider Smith na tarot. No, mas improvise lang and mas pinaganda. Ganun, improvise nga, pinaganda. So, ayan siya. Kaya this one is okay din siya sa beginner. The Magician, High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant, the Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hangman, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World, Ace of Wands, Dominion, Two of Wands, Established Strength, iba yung meaning ng iba, Three of Wands, Victory, Six of Wands, Five of Wands, Perfect Work, Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, Velour, Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands, Oppression, Ten of Wands, Princess of Wands, which is Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, Fiery King of Wands, Ace of Swords, Peace, Two of Swords, Sorrow, Three of Swords, Rest, yun nga hirap ko siya basahin. Rest from Strike, Defeat, Earned Success, Unstable Effort, Shortened Force, Despair and Cruelty, Raisin, Princess of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, King of Swords, Ace of Cups, Love, Abundance, Blended Pleasure, Loss in Pleasure, Pleasure, Illusionary Success, Abundant Success, Material Happiness, Perfect Success, Princess of Cups, Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Harmonious Change, Material Work, Earthy Power, Material Trouble, Material Success, Success Unfulfilled, Prudence, Material Gain, Wealth, Princess of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. Kung mabilis, you can pause it na lang ha. So, pag shuffle mo siya, okay naman siya. At saka makapal siya na card Hindi siya yung sobrang nipis. Ayan, siguro kaya nagkakadense kasi mas madalas ako ganyan ng shuffle kapag nagre-read ako. Ayan. Dahil hindi siya ganun kanipis, pwede mo rin siyang shuffle ng casino shuffle. Ganyan. Diba? I love the images. Nagustuhan ko to. Yung problema ko lang nga dito kasi medyo malabo yung mata ko. Hindi ko mabasa yung nasa ilalim. Ayan. So nice. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng images niya. I love it. New tarot readers, pwedeng-pwede to sa inyo. Parang Rider Smith lang din siya na in-improvise. Yung images niya, hindi masakit sa mata, hindi nakakatakot, hindi dark, even though na more on, parang medyo dark siya, hindi siya colorful. I love it. So, for me, this one, kaya gamit ko na to. This one, ang rate ko sa kanya is 9 out of 10. I love this deck. And sikat din tong deck na to, no? If manonood kayo ng mga YouTube tarot readers, usually ginagamit nila to. Isa to sa sikat na tarot in YouTube. So, yan. If you have any tarot in mind, oracles, or Lenormand that you want me to review first, baka available na siya here. If not, I'll try my best to find it. So, yun lang. See you in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!